Is your fabric stuck and not moving forward while stitching? Fix it easily at home with a few simple steps on your sewing machine. Look here. The feed dogs are below the needle plate and not positioned properly. Let's fix this quickly by realigning the feed dogs. Flip your Singer machine on its side and carefully place it on the sewing table. Ensure the needle bar is positioned upward. Slightly loosen this screw. Next, hold the feed dogs in this position so they are slightly above the needle bar and then tighten the screw. The feed dogs are now in the correct position and the fabric is moving forward smoothly on your Singer sewing machine.